What is up, guys? Welcome back to this channel. I just first want to say thank you again for everybody who subscribed and who watched the previous videos. We are doing awesome, thank you so much. And for the guys who don't really know about this build and are new to it, I will add a link to the description to the first video where I review where I bought the Jeep, and then also you can just click on this link above. In today's video we will be ripping out the interior of this bad boy, also replacing the front door since this door was in an accident and it is warped, and I have found a perfect one. I've also found a perfect used rear tailgate glass with the hinges, so we will be putting this on and keeping the rain out of this vehicle while it's still in the build process. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. I will start by removing this inner door part. Okay, so before I start putting on the new door, I'm first going to rip out the interior and then also going to put on this piece of glass just to make it easier instead of damaging the new door perhaps. Okay guys, so we got the seats up. Look how disgusting that is. Piece of poop. And we've got a little bit of a cockroach problem in this Jeep as well. So I'm going to take out the whole carpet and clean out the whole inside. So next up, taking out the center console. Want to take out this carpet, but it looks like these hooks are keeping it in, and it looks like they riveted down, so we will have to drill every rivet out. Each hook is held on by 2 rivets, and since I know there's cockroaches underneath this, I'll be putting on gloves and maybe a mask as well. Not going to connect up the wiring just yet because I'm going to take it off again to respray it, obviously. I took out all the interior. The carpet is wrecked. I will probably take it out and send it off to be cleaned. If not, comment below if you've got a carpet for me, or if you've got interior pieces for me, or where I can find them. I would appreciate that a lot. So let's put on this sucker and get done. Okay guys, this door is on, and that's pretty much going to be a wrap for this video. If you liked what you see and you'd like to see more on this build, which is probably going to be a long build, please hit that subscribe button, press the like button, and I appreciate every one of you. If you'd like an inside scoop, please follow us on Instagram on Daily Driven Jeeps ZA. Keep safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!